Hi, this is Sheepishly from Sheepishly made at MCS Livestock, and this is part of the Needle Felting 101 series. So I wanted to show you a wooden handle holder for your felting needle. So this is what it looks like when you get one of these. So if you have like my beginner felting kit, it'll have one of these in it. They also come with other kinds of kits, and you can buy these as well. So how do you use them? So right now it's in the storage position. So you can see the needle here. So we want to pull it out. So the needle was in here. Whoop, there goes in my needle. And this is a little wooden stopper that holds the needle. So the wooden stopper is always going to go in the same direction. The skinny end is going to go inside of your handle. But the felting needle, you'll reverse directions. So here's the holder. It's got a little notch in it. So when you're using your needle, you'll put the needle in, the point going that direction with the thicker end of the holder. It's just slightly thicker. And then you're going to push your needle all the way down so the top of it is on the top part. And then all you do is put this back into your handle and slide it in. And there you go. You have your felting needle holder all ready to go. So the felting needle holders, and they come in many different types. There's multi-needle tools and there's single needle tools. You can get them in pen type and a few different other options. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Happy felting!